Stop eating broccoli every day. What? Why? Because broccoli contains a variety of antioxidants that act like the body's guard against free radicals, slowing the rate of cellular aging and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Broccoli is also the god of the digestive system. Broccoli is rich in fiber, which helps to promote a healthy digestive system and prevent digestive problems such as constipation. Broccoli is rich in vitamins C, K, A, B6, folate, potassium, calcium, phosphorus, and other minerals. It is also rich in fiber. These nutrients are essential to the body and support its proper functioning. The unique glucosinolate makes broccoli an excellent anti-cancer product. Studies have shown that eating broccoli daily may help reduce the risk of cancers, such as stomach, colon, and breast cancer. Vitamin C, vitamin A, and other antioxidants not only give broccoli its flavor and color, but also boost the immune system and help the body fight off infections and diseases. Welcome to join me for more health information. Share with someone who needs it and drop a yes, I will try it. Now tell me, from which country do you watching this video? Leave in the comment and follow us. Thank you.